just did the mid mufflers?
Just the mid mufflers, yeah.
Me too. Twinning.
Twinning.
Can you do a startup really quick? I want to hear the difference between yours and mine.
Do it up.
Don't laugh.
Not laughing. It's good.
Sorry, for a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot better. What is yours? A 6.1?
No, 5.7.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why it sounds so loud.
Yeah. Why does yours sound so good? The Daytona. That's totally why.
Legendary.
Totally why.
So it's just lowered. I got
Oh yeah, what kind of lowering kit did you get?
H&R.
H&R?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then mid muffler delete. I got the sprint booster, so throttle commander kind of thing. And then yeah, that's really it. A bunch of interior stuff. I bought
it's all red in there. Is it red or orange in there?
Yeah, a little red pinstriping, and then you put some carbon. It's fake carbon.
Yeah, that's whatever.
Yeah,
oh, it's good.
Coming along. I'm gonna get some 5-inch tips soon, and then I want to do the 6.4 manifold cam.
Yep.
And then down the road supercharger.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's the journey, man.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, for sure. And there's the warranty on it right now. So next year will probably be the Diablo tuner.
Oh, dude, that was the problem with me. Like my warranty is void as.
Yeah, well, that's just it. I enjoy it a little bit right now.
Uh-oh. What?
Oh, you're getting yelled at.
Just a disclaimer, guys. If we hit somebody, I'm flying right through this windshield.
I'll try not to.
That's fine. I'll be fine. Whoa!
I don't have the indicators.
You don't? Oh yeah. Oh, he's got his catch can installed.
Yeah, so it's just lowered. I got it.
Oh yeah, what kind of lowering kit did you get?
H&R.
H&R?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Da Vinci.
Yeah, so it's just lowered. I got it.
Oh yeah, what kind of lowering kit did you get?
H&R.
H&R?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then mid-muffler delete. I got the sprint booster, so throttle commander kind of thing. And then, yeah, that's really it. A bunch of interior stuff. I bought
Yeah, it's all red in there. Is it red or orange in there?
Yeah, a little red pinstriping, and then you put some carbon. It's fake carbon.
Yeah, that's whatever. Good.
Sorry, for a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot better. What is yours, a 6.1?
No, 5.7.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why it sounds so loud.
Yeah, why does yours sound so good? The Daytona. That's totally why.
Legendary.
Totally why.